Okay, the next item we're going to look at is another guitar product here. It's made by Dunlop, and it's Dunlop number 65 Ultimate Lemon Oil. And this particular one here, it comes in different sizes. This particular one here, it's in a 4 fluid ounce bottle. It comes in a plastic bottle, and it's got a little cap on top of it, which you unscrew, and it's got a little application like a felt thing on top of it. So if you turn it upside down like this, you can apply some of this lemon oil that's in here to your fretboard on your guitar. What this does, it cleans the fretboard on your guitar, and it kind of takes all the grime and all the grit and stuff that gets stuck in the fretboard, because it's wood, and sometimes with your hands when you're playing, it gets all the dirt from your hands or whatever, and it gets on your fretboard. So this cleans it. It removes the grime and stuff like that on your fretboard, and it makes it nice and shiny, and it keeps the grime away. Because what happens, it keeps the dirt away, because when you put it on it, it kind of puts a coating on it to where it's kind of like a sealant, and it kind of keeps the stains away, your fretboard nice and moist. I've had this for a long time. It's been available for a long time. Now there was kind of like sprayed products that I used to use, but this one with the actual lemon oil liquid on it, pretty cool. And the good thing about it is that it lasts a very long time. I've had this one for like at least 2 years now, and the spray applicators like crazy. So this one actually lasts a lot better. And like I said, what it has on top here, it has an application thing, and what you do is you just kind of treat your guitar by just rubbing this over it, and it makes your frets nice and clean, and then just get it like a regular cloth and just kind of dry it off. What this is also good for, that I use it for, the lemon oil has some kind of has like slippery texture to it. So instead of like they sell a lot of spray on, like I was saying before, a lot of spray on products which make your neck a lot easier to play, because it makes it nice and slippery. It doesn't make it gunky or sticky. So this is what's good. It keeps it nice and slippery. So because sometimes when you develop sweat and stuff on your hands and stuff, and your guitar neck gets dirt and stuff, it can become very sticky. But when you use this on it, it makes it nice and smooth, and it removes the dirt. And it's designed for the top of the fretboard, but you can use it on the back of your neck of the fretboard, and it works as a really nice lubricant, because it also is a lubricant. And like I said, it lasts much longer than your regular spray-on lubricants. This one is really highly recommended. It's by a good brand, Dunlop. They make guitar picks, they make guitar straps, they make guitar strap locks. They make all kinds of accessories for guitars. So this is definitely a good brand name to go with. Well, I could probably show you how you apply it real quick here. Let me pull out a guitar real quick. Here we have a guitar. We're gonna concentrate on the guitar neck right here, and this is the fretboard right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some on here. So this is all you do. You kind of take this little screw the cap, and it's got this felt tip on it which absorbs some of the liquid that's in there. And what you do is just put little dabs on it, just a little bit of dab on it, and then you just kind of apply it on there. So it's nice. It makes it nice and slick. So when you're doing fretting and playing the guitar, it's not sticky. It makes it nice and moist, and it keeps it nice and slippery, so it's not that much friction on there. You can play a little better and easier. And then what I do for an extra bonus, even though it doesn't say it, what you can do with this thing also is use it as a lubricant. So what I do is I turn the guitar on its back right here and get the neck on it. So there's the back of the guitar neck. And what I do is I just put same thing, little dab, and I just kind of rub it on there. And not only does it clean the guitar, you have a nice little lubricant. So when you're playing your guitar, the back of your hand, or your thumb actually, on the back of it, slides nice and easy as you can go up and down the fretboard. Like I said, it's not designed for this, but I know a lot of people that use it, and I use it, and it works great, and it cleans your guitar at the same time. Again, like I said, you could use it on the front part, which is what it's designed to be done. Use it on the front of the fretboard right here. Put the little dabs on it, and just kind of, you could take a little cloth and just kind of do it, but I do it with my fingers just to keep it nice and slippery. And you can just rub it in there, and it takes the grime out, and it conditions your frets. A really nice product if you want to keep your guitars nice and smooth when you play it. And at the same time, you're cleaning it. It removes the gunk that builds up in your frets here, and it cleans it at the same time, and it improves the playability factor. Do not hesitate to get this Dunlop 65 Ultimate Lemon Oil, and then you can find it at any musical store usually, or it's available online. Okay, thank you very much.